Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I want to talk about LumberJack Game. These Telegram bots announced that it's gonna be released on Toolbeat, and the coin is gonna be available on Toolbeat. The time I'm recording this video, it remains 5 days until releasing this coin on 2bit exchange. So the Twitter account is verified, and there are 3 followings here. Actually, 2bit, the owner, the creator, actually the CEO and founder, and the Elon Musk. So the Twitter, it looks verified, but this 5 days it's been announced that this token is gonna be released. So in Telegram, I saw you can see the alarm here is 5 days, and there are a lot of things about this coin I checked. So you can transfer it to, you should actually transfer it to your Tonecoin wallet if you wanna withdraw this token. According to what they said, if you don't do this transfer to Tonecoin, you will not be able to get the token, and all of your tokens will be destroyed if you don't transfer it to Tonekeeper. So this
Dear
video,
LumberJack Game users, I am very happy to announce that from today you can withdraw your tokens. Before I explain the steps for withdrawing tokens,
so this video has been posted in their channel, and it's been created by AI. Things that they say, it's been created by AI, but fully they say you should transfer your tokens to your Tone wallet. If you don't do that in 5 days, 5 days from now, your tokens will be something like fire or burn. You cannot exchange it. So first of all, I want to show you how to transfer this token, and this is LumberJack Game. You should connect your wallet from here, and you should choose Tonekeeper. So I've already connected. You choose Tonekeeper, you move to your Tonekeeper account and connect your wallet to Tonekeeper. So sorry, I transferred my tokens, and now it's not connected here because it's on. I'm opening on Telegram window. So after connection, you should go to your panel, and you don't see connect wallet here, maybe, or if you see the connect your wallet, you do that again. You just connect to your wallet, and after that you can withdraw your tokens that you have here. So according to your balance here, I already transferred my tokens, but according to your balance, you should charge your Tone. I paid about, I think I charged about 0.4 and 0.6, about a 1 Tone coin actually, for 2 transactions that I had. I transferred to my Tone wallet. So when you do the transfer, it takes about 1 hour to get your tokens in your wallet, but you cannot transfer. You can do anything with it. You can't actually do anything with it, but you can transfer. You can send and you can receive it, but you need to pay gas fee for transfer, and gas fee is paid by Tone. I don't know. In few days, when the token, if the token released, maybe you should transfer it to 2-bit exchange system, or you can, I don't know, transfer it in Tonekeeper, maybe another ways, but if this token release. So it says 5 days from now. I'm recording this video. I transferred my tokens here, and I did another wallet, not my main Tonekeeper wallet, and I got 4,300 of tokens here, and you see it's unverified token. So I received these 2 transactions, and the history was okay. I mean, the transaction was okay, but this is unverified token, still unverified token, and you have 5 days to do this, and depends on your token that you have here. You should pay gas fee for transferring to your Tone wallet. I don't know if this is gonna be useful, how much is gonna pay to users or anything else, but pre-market price is here, is changing actually, but it's just in 2-bit. I checked the 2-bit, it's not on 2-bit, but they said it's gonna be in 2-bit in 5 days, and I'm gonna show you something after checking this 2-bit again. So if I don't know, I don't know why working with Austria IP is so hard to deal with this crypto market. So let's click on login here. I'm gonna log in with my Google. Okay, new one. Hard verification. So let me just check my email for a second, and it's gonna be here. Yeah. Okay, I'm logged in. I cannot find the crypto here still, and it's not in the list even. It's not in the market. Still, it's not in market. They said it's gonna be in 5 days, but it's not still here. So maybe they pay the users, maybe they don't pay, maybe something happens, maybe you should verify it, maybe you should do a lot of things, maybe it's gonna be easier than what we thought. And as I can see, there's no, let me just check it again, it's not here yet, but the challenge says it's gonna be in 5 days. So the Twitter is verified, and the followings and followers are normal. They're not a lot of trusted fields, but it's normal actually. But I don't know, I can't promise that it's gonna be money. But yeah, 5 days until this video, you see, until the day the video uploaded, to transfer your tokens to your Tonekeeper. But if you don't do that, the thing that they said, it's gonna, your tokens are gonna be removed. So I checked something here. Let me just I could log in actually to this system without using let me just check something here. But once I checked, I could log in without even Telegram. There was a link here. I'm trying to find that link. So I can find it. I can't actually find it. And about the NFTs, I tried to transfer NFT. Well, I have 2 NFT now, but I couldn't actually transfer it. I think it's gonna be in 5 days, but I was looking for, let me just check, maybe I can find it in Tonekeeper. Connect wallet. And let's just see. Okay, there was a link that I could log in without Telegram, but I can't find it now. There was something here, but I can't actually, and I can't actually find it now. Okay, by the way, oh, I think it was this one. Yeah, no. Nope. It's not this one. Anyway, you have 5 days to claim your tokens. I don't promise that there's gonna be money or NFT in this system. It's gonna be money. I cannot promise anything. But according to this informations in this channel, you have 5 days to transfer your tokens to your Tone wallet, but there is not gonna be any promise here. And I checked this link here about Tone Viewer of my wallet. That transaction, it's completely okay. I mean, transactions are okay. I find you can see the token here, but it's set on verified token. Maybe it's gonna be listed in a few days, so just do it. It doesn't pay so much, maybe $7 or $8, maybe at up top I think $10, but it's gonna be a chance to get a reward, maybe. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I put the link in the description, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and send me comments. I will create another videos about this Web3 games, and as I said in my previous video, we're gonna create a Web3 game based on one of the systems, but I'm waiting for your comments to choose one of the exchange systems. By the way, thank you so much.